In this video, we are going to learn how to multiply or divide a given fraction, a pair of given fractions. Okay. First of all, just look at the fraction and think if you can simplify one numerator and one denominator. In short, you just find an even number in the numerator and even number in the denominator. Here, you can find an even number, but here we do not have any even number. So this is in turn that we are not going to divide by 2 because in the numerator we do not have an even number. So let me show you a fraction where I can simplify by 2. Look at this fraction. This is an even number. Okay. In the numerator I got one even number. In the denominator I got one even number. So I will divide these two numbers by 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. This is done. New fraction is 2 over 5 multiplied by 9 over 5. Now you cannot simplify by 2 because this is an even number but do not have even number in the denominator. We cannot simplify by 3 because 9 is divisible by 3, but here we do not have any number which is divisible by 3. For 5, these numbers are divisible by 5, but in numerator, no, we cannot divide by 5. So this is the result that we cannot simplify these two fractions anymore. If this is the thing, then you will just multiply the numerator with the numerator. आप सामने सामने कट नहीं कर सकते. We'll never cut 2 by 9. To cut, the rule is one number must be in the numerator and one number must be in the denominator. Then you will simplify. But if you cannot simplify, simply multiply numerator to numerator. जैसे 9 2s are 18 and 5 5s are 25, and this is your answer because this is a proper fraction. Look at another question like this, like first question. You cannot simplify because we do not have any even number in the numerator. We cannot simplify by 2. We cannot even simplify by 3 or 5. So what we are going to do, just multiply numerator to numerator. 3 1s are 3 and denominator to denominator. 5 2s are 10. And this is your proper fraction because the proper fraction is a fraction which has a smaller number in the numerator and greater number in the denominator, and this is your fixed final answer. Look at this question. Here we do not have any even number over here. We cannot simplify by 2. Here we do not have any number which is divisible by 3 or 7. So we cannot simplify this fraction. We can simply multiply. सामने सामने 7 times 3 is 21 and 8 times 4 is 32, and this is a proper fraction because numerator is smaller than denominator, and the proper fraction is your answer. Now look at another question. Look at this question. Do we have any even number over in the numerator? We do not have. It means we cannot simplify by 2, right? Can we simplify by 3? This 14 and this 4 both are not divisible by 3. We cannot simplify by 3. So is it possible to simplify these two fractions? No, this is not possible. What we are going to do is simply multiply numerator to the numerator, like 5 3s are 15, and denominator to denominator. 14 times 4, 56. This is a proper fraction and this is your answer. In this question you can see we do not have any number in the denominator of 18. You can just write 1 over here. Now you can simplify. Can we solve these two fractions by 2? This is even number, this is even number. But we do not have any even number in the denominator. If you do not have any even number here, you cannot simplify by 2. Okay? 2 cancel. Now think about 3. Yes. 3 1s are 3. 3 6s are 18. What is left? 2 times 6 is left. What is 2 times 6? That's 12. This is your answer. Look at next question where we can simplify a mixed fraction. No, I will teach you in this next video where we will simplify the this type of fractions like mixed fractions. But look at this question. Calculate the area of this rectangle, and you know, if you want to find the area of a rectangle or a cube, you will just multiply side to this side. Length multiply by breadth, side by side. Okay, 7 by 9 multiply by 1 over 5. Now can you simplify these two fractions? Of course not. We do not have any even number in the numerator or denominator. We cannot simplify by 3 or 5 or 7. What you are going to do is just multiply. 7 ones are 7, 9 fives are 45, and since it's area, so you will write meter square. If you find this video helpful for you, just like, share and subscribe. Okay, Allah Hafiz, bye bye.